In this video, we will show you how to send a proposal in PeoplePerHour. If you guys want to get started with PeoplePerHour, you can use the links down in the description. Freelancers on PeoplePerHour have many opportunities, but success relies on strong proposal. One of the biggest mistakes freelancers make is using a standard template for every proposal. Address the buyer by name and demonstrate a clear understanding of their needs. Buyer want to feel the confidence that you fully grasp their project requirement. Reflect on what they've shared in a project description to demonstrate your understanding. If the buyer needs help with social media marketing for a fitness brand, emphasize your experience with similar businesses. After addressing the buyer's needs, show why you're the perfect fit for the project. Share relevant experience, highlight successful project, and provide example when possible. If a buyer writes in a more casual style, mirror the tone while maintaining professionalism. Adapting your communication style shows emotional intelligence and make it easier for the buyer to connect with you. Buyer often include hints about their preferences in project briefs. Mentioning this can make your proposal more engaging. Freelancers often miss out on projects because buyers are unsure if they have the time or tools needed to deliver. Your pricing can make or break your proposal. Clearly state what's included and offers optional add-ons for flexibility. Finally, ensure your proposal is free from grammatical errors and typos. A polished proposal reflects your professionalism and attention to detail, which can set you apart from competitors. So that's how to send proposal in PeoplePerHour. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with PeoplePerHour. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.